Ambiers, the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, Dr. Nephi Ryu, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Y. Badon, Honorable Minister, Advisors, MLA present here today, dignitaries, government officers, fellow citizens, visitors from around the world, media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor to welcome you all, the land of Am, and do the introduction of International Hornbill Festival Mon Edition 2025. Under the outstanding leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Nephi Ryu, this festival reflects his commitment to promote the culture, identity, tourism, remote of this district of Nagaland. The people of Mon convey our hearty gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister for making this festival into reality and grand success. The Hornbill Festival is organized by the Department of Underdeveloped Area as Nodal Department, along with the Department of Art and Culture, Tourism, Denmark, and District Administration Mon. This festival brings together the town of Mon District to showcase in the rich traditional, its histories, and its people making Mon a vibrant state of share our heritage and vibrant culture that define us. Beyond more celebration, this festival will serve as a crucial platform for preserving and passing down of heritage to the younger generation and community. I encourage all visitors to enjoy the experience, interact with the community, experience the food, culture, traditional of Mon and its neighboring district and state. Thank you once again for joining us in celebration of heritage and innovation. May you be enriching, and may this Hornbill Festival Mon Edition 2025 strengthen our bond of harmony and respect. Enjoy the celebration, Jai Hind. Now I would like to say some few words in Konyak dialect. Jimbo Konyak Katalan, teman simak yang onang. Hado Hornbill Festival next of kisama onang. Konyak cina muheman bu jang onang. Sa teman baik onang bu. Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Nephi Ryu kay initiative yang baik onang. Okay, Konyak Katalan hado kibu, hado nyuijing da, sense of ownership. Nang jengkia dela kongbong, mulanya polo kongbong. Hado kibu ngai bu kaya. Teman function bu tu show mayong jambu jang onang. Teman tak lah onang. Okay, ngai ni bu, cuai bang ba. Hado bandung ngai wanda. Nang jengkia dela kongbong, dela kongbong, mulanya polo kongbong. Ngai orang bang ah, haki bu, cuai bang ma. Konyak kata anda, yue kak mengai bu, pau mengai bu, tuyulak. Teman hak keling bergaya. Konyak aja sawi orang langja, tinggi uang pakai mah. Awang ngonok, kayang boy. Konyak kata semai tak cina. Teman culture me, promote me ngomong. Teman yung ngomong, jauh sih ngomong, hak mi bay bergaya. Teman deh, development belanja ya. Sang orang bu, honorable Chief Minister Dr. Nephi Ryu kaya. Hadawa teman next kesama aja tahu kai konyak kata na hadawa na nang tinggi deh kai saya mulanda sini tentang kawan konyak ter mulanda. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for presentation, and I give the time to the Konyak Union, and I request our Honorable Advisor DUDA and Geology Mining, Shri W. Chingang Konyak, to kindly do the favors of presenting along with the Konyak Union.